I can guarantee that the majority of people using large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, they're using it in the wrong way.
90% of people using AI are wasting their own time.
In an effort to save time, they spend the majority of their time in that chat going back and forth with that AI, and still they are not happy with the results at the end. This is especially critical if you're trying to run your online business with a small team or you are a one-person setup.
You open ChatGPT, type something, get a trash answer, retype it, get another trash answer, 45 minutes gone, nothing useful. That's not AI working for you, that's you working for AI. Custom AI assistants already know your business, your brand, and what you need before you type a word. One shift, 90% of repetitive tasks automated.
But if you're not using custom assistants like custom GPTs or Google Gemini's gems, you are really missing out. AI outputs are only as good as the input that we give them.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
So in this video, I'm going to show you a smarter way to use AI assistants to customize your input so you can get that output that you want. In fact, this framework could save you up to 90% of your repetitive tasks that you do on a daily or weekly basis.
You need to know where to find these assistants. Step 2.
Way around. So I'm going to dive straight on over into my desktop. So here I am just inside Google, and if you just Google Gemini, it's going to give you access to Google Gemini. It's a free tool. You can get the pro version, but I'm just going to open it up, and it's just going to open up into a new chat window for me. If you have not used this before, you will need to log in through your Google account, but there's a reason why I'm using
Gemini Gems. Go to Google Gemini, log in, click Explore Gems. You just unlocked Google's version of custom GPTs. These aren't generic chatbots. You build them once, use them forever. Gemini is owned by Google, owned by YouTube. The data it pulls is next level.
Gemini over all of the other large language models is I'm going to get good results and good feedback because it's owned by Google, it's owned by YouTube. So here you are inside the new window, and all you need to do here is you can either go to new chat, and these are gems, you can explore gems, or you got some recent chat. So if it's the first time here, just click on explore gems. Now this is similar to custom GPTs if you've used custom GPTs before.
Access means nothing if you can't program your gem. That's the secret formula in step 3.
Now the instructions is really key, how to deliver your prompts to this model. Now I would really recommend you click on this little information and then click learn more. Now this will help you on any large language models or any AI assistant just using this formula that Google actually recommend for you to use. So first of all, it's the persona. Tell the gem what role to play and how to respond.
Persona. Tell the AI who to be. Task. Tell it what job to do. Context. Feed it every piece of background info. Format. Tell it how the output should look. Google built this into their own instructions page. Use all 4 and your AI stops guessing, delivers exactly what you need first try.
Then it's the task. Tell the gem what you want Gemini to do or create, and then it's the context. Provide as much background as possible. Now this is key. If you have more background, feed that gem more background, and then the format. So be specific when specifying desired structure. So how do you want the outcome? Now make a note of this, copy this down, because this is how I input all of my gems. So here you can also feed it.
The formula is half the equation. Your gem needs the right knowledge. That's step 4.
But what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go straight into YouTube descriptions. So Every week I produce a YouTube video, but in order to create the best possible YouTube description, I use this gem. So as you can see here, I've got persona, I've got task, I've got context, and then I've also got format. So I'm going to walk you through how I did this in just a sec. But then knowledge here.
Inside every gem, there's a knowledge section. Click add, upload files from Google Drive, brand guidelines, messaging, business info, load it all. Your gem remembers this every time you use it, never starting from scratch again. More documents in, smarter it gets. This is how you build an AI that sounds like you and knows your business.
I love this because you can just click add and then you can add files from your drive, because this is the Google Drive. I use everything Google where possible. So I've got some brand guidelines and brand message. There's everything about me.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
And my online business. So if you wanted to give this gem a little bit more knowledge that it's going to remember each time you use this gem, so you're not starting from scratch, this is going to save you so much time. So the more documents you can input for the knowledge base here, the smarter.
You've got a trained AI assistant. The real money move is deploying it across everything. Step 5. And
like I said, this shouldn't be the finished article. You should then go in and edit this however you see fit. Once you're happy with it, just paste it in. For the end result here, this was my YouTube video description. And that is just one way to use Google Gemini gems as a way of speeding things up so much that you're going to save 90% of your time.
The output your gem gives you isn't the final product, it's your starter. Take it, edit it, refine it. What took 2 hours now takes 10 minutes. Apply this system to everything you repeat: social posts, newsletters, proposals, descriptions. Build a gem for each one. That's how you go from doing everything yourself to running an automated machine,
just by using these custom AI assistants. And you can simply apply this strategy to anything that you find that you're repeating on a regular basis. So have a think about what information you're going to feed to that custom AI, what it needs. Just feed it in there once, get those prompts in there in a smart way so that output is going to be as close as possible to the output that you want.
Now imagine charging businesses $500 to $2,000 to build these systems for them. That's a side hustle that replaces your 9 to 5. Start with step 1 and build your way up. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.